Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publisher official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, Mohenjo-daro. SLOs of this lesson are pre-reading strategies to predict the content of a text from picture by asking question and contextual clues. Dear student, we have read about the Mohenjo-daro in the previous lesson. We will continue this unit in this lesson too, because the unit were remaining in the previous lesson. What we have read about the Mohenjo-daro? Mohenjo-daro was a mound of dead in this city, was found by some people who found some old pots and bricks. And then Sir John Marshall find out that it was a historical remain of something, so he dig it out and figure it out. There was a old city, a big city, and it was a successful and a thrived city. It was abandoned in 19th century and it was built in 2500 BC. Is one of the largest city of Indus Valley civilization. There was a proper city, roads, houses made of baked large bricks, bathroom, servants' quarter, and there was also a shopping center in the center of the city, also a great hall. There was grain stored, proper streets. So we will continue this lesson now. Look at the page number 16 and paragraph here. The people of this city must have been great traders, while the river Indus so near and the sea within easy reach. The countryside must have been fertile, since wheat, rice and cotton grew here. Fertile ज़रख़ेज़ थी, जहाँ पर फसलें उग सकें. The farmers also kept cattle. There were skilled craftsmen who worked in gold, silver and ivory. Ivory कहते हैं तांबे को. Craftsmen मतलब कारीगर थे. मोहनजोदड़ो के लोग जो थे बकायदा कारीगर थे जो सोने, चांदी और तांबे का काम करते थे. Clay dolls and carts were made for the children to play with. We also have an idea of dresses worn by the ruling class, the priest and the elders, from the seals of many kinds that have been found there. There were long loose dresses. Seals, मोहरे जो लगाते हैं. So in this paragraph, what we read, the city was nearby the sea and the soil was fertile. Wheat, rice and cotton grew there. Farmer also used to keep cattle. And the craftsmen worked with gold and silver and ivory. They also used to make clay dolls and carts for the children to play. They also found some dresses from the ruling class, the priest and the elders. Priest कहते हैं पादरी को, Christians का जो होता है, और उनको कुछ मोहरे भी मिली. They found some kinds of seals there, and the dresses they found, they were long and loose dresses. Now look at this paragraph here. Nearby a museum where interesting objects found from Mohenjo-daro are on exhibition. Exhibition जहाँ पर चीजों की नुमाइश लगती है. These include seals, jewelry, toys, weapons and painted pottery. Painted pottery मतलब pottery उसे कहते हैं जो मट्टी से चीजें बनी और उसको पेंट किया होता. The best found of Mohenjo-daro is the head of a bull, which was used as a seal. A metal statue of a dancing girl has also been found. There are metal tools too. It is because of these metal objects that the probable age of the city is being given in about 4005 years 100. So what we read about in this paragraph here, that there is a museum near the Mohenjo-daro where you can find so many interesting things and objects which they found from Mohenjo-daro, the remains of Mohenjo-daro. There were seals, jewelry, toys, weapons and painted poetry, and the most interesting thing, they found a head of a bull which was used as a seal and a metal statue of a dancing girl. There were other metals too लोहे की तांबे की चीजें मिली इनको. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मेटल ऑब्जेक्ट्स बीन गिवन ए 4500 years. The metal is of great importance. That's why this civilization has been given 4500 years. Now look at the last paragraph here. For a long time these people lived a happy life. They were quite rich and traveled from one place to another on business or on pleasure. The city was well planned and clean. The rainwater did not remain on the street. We do not know what happened to them later. Either they were raided from the north, raided, उन पे डाका पड़ गया या लूट लिया गया उसे, और some great earthquake destroyed him. Earthquake, zalzala. No one has yet been able to determine the meaning of the words written on the seal and on the pottery. Determine, कोई अंदाजा नहीं लगा सका. Much could be learned if the language experts are able to decipher. Decipher means to find out the hidden message which was written on it. Hidden message, to find out as far as protection and conservation of Mohenjo-daro. Conservation means when someone try to keep or protect the city or anything from lost or damage or destruction. Mohenjo-daro is concerned, there is a management system to deal with the issues of conservation and other problems in scientific way with traditional method. The problem of salt action, thermal stress and rend are dealt with through a holistic approach. Holistic as a whole, पूरी approach की उन्होंने पूरी तरह. So what we discussed in the last paragraph, they figured out that the people of Mohenjo-daro lived a very happy life. They were quite rich and traveled from one place to another for business or pleasure. Their city was well planned and clean. There was no water on the street, and nobody knows what happened to them later. Whether there be an earthquake or they were raided by someone, what happened? And many people try to decipher the word that the hidden message was written on the seals, on the things, but no one could succeed it in the past. Mohenjo-daro is concerned, there is a management system to deal with the issue of conservation and other problems in scientific way, the traditional method. There was salt action, thermal stress and rend dealt with the holistic approach. उसको जो है ठीक करने की कोशिश की गई. उसके मोहनजोदड़ो के जो है ये जो बाकियात थी, ये जो चीजें रह गई थी, इसको डिस्ट्रॉय होने से मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम ने बहुत कोशिश की ताकि ये जो इसकी बची हुई चीजें हैं ये तबाह ना होए, खो ना जाए और खराब ना हो जाए. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने इस लेसन में मोहनजोदड़ो के बारे में पढ़ा कि मोहनजोदड़ो एक पुराना शहर था इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन का. लड़काना के करीब सिंध में ये वाक़या है, दरिया सिंध के करीब एक पुराना शहर जहां पर लोगों को कुछ पुराने बर्तन, मट्टी के और ईंटें मिली. तो वो सर जॉन मार्शल के पास ले गए. सर जॉन मार्शल जो एक इंग्लिश सिविल सर्वेंट थे, उनको ये पुरानी चीज़ों को खोज लगाने का बहुत शौक था. तो उन्होंने इस शहर को ढूंढने की कोशिश की और खुदाई शुरू कर दी. खुदाई से पता चला कि ये एक प्रॉपर पूरा सिटी था जिसके बाजार थे, गलियां थी, लोग रहते थे, मट्टी के बर्तन बनाए जाते थे, लोहे, तांबे और गोल्ड का काम भी होता था. और इनको कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें भी मिली, जैसे कि एक बुल का सर और एक डांसिंग गर्ल का मेटल स्टैच्यू और कुछ हिडन मैसेजेस भी लिखे हुए थे जिसको लोगों ने, लैंग्वेज एक्सपर्ट्स ने बहुत पढ़ने की कोशिश की लेकिन कोई भी पता नहीं लगा सका. कोई भी नहीं जानता कि इस रिच सिटी के साथ क्या हुआ. आखिर में या तो जलजला आ गया या इनको किसी ने लूट लिया. मोहनजोदड़ो की जो बाकियात हैं, जो चीजें रह गई थी, मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम ने इसको बहुत कोशिश की इसको तबाह होने से, खराब होने से बचाने की, जिसमें साल्ट एक्शन प्रॉब्लम भी थी और थर्मल स्ट्रेट भी था कि बारिश से जो है ये चीजें खराब ना हो जाएं. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द रिमेनिंग एक्सरसाइज हियर. Look at the question number 3. We have done the 2 questions before in our previous lesson. What were the occupation of the people of Mohenjo-daro? Occupation उनका पेशा क्या था? वो कमाने के लिए कौन सा काम करते थे? You can find the answer of that question here in this paragraph. To get the question number 4 here, what is the historical importance of Mohenjo-daro? Yes, historical importance. It's for you. This question is for you. Dear students, I hope you can do this very easily. We have read the lesson. What are some of the objects found from Mohenjo-daro? This is very easy. You can find the answer of this question here in this paragraph. Student, you can also find the difficult words meaning here in the word bank too. Now look at here section B. Read out the text and express your opinion and personal preferences. Multiple choice questions we have. These questions are given from the text we have read just. So what you need to do, you have to recall the text, revise it and answer this question. You have to choose the one correct option for each question here. I want you to read the unit again and do this. Now look at the page number 19 here of your textbook, section C here. Complete these sentences by filling in the spaces with suitable words from text. This is also from your text. I hope you can do this very easily. You can find all the words missing in the blanks from your text. This is your home task from Summer Pack, page number 12. What you need to do, you have to read this passage carefully and answer all this question. You can find all the answer in this paragraph here. I hope, dear student, you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.